Hey there, enthusiastic learners and future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore exciting ways to make money online. Today, we have a fantastic opportunity that combines your passion for education with the power of the internet. Get ready to dive into the world of online tutoring and discover how you can make money by helping school children succeed. I'm your host, and I can't wait to share this exciting journey with you. Let's jump right in. Have you ever thought about sharing your knowledge and expertise with eager students while making money from the comfort of your own home? Well, online tutoring is the perfect solution. With the advancements in technology, connecting with students from around the world has never been easier. It's time to embrace the digital revolution and become an online tutor. Picture this: you, sitting in front of your computer, equipped with a reliable internet connection and a passion for teaching. Online tutoring platforms like tutor.com provide a seamless interface for you to connect with students, schedule lessons, and offer your expertise in various subjects. Getting started as an online tutor is incredibly simple. First, choose your area of expertise. Are you passionate about math, science, language arts, or even music? Whatever your specialty, there's a demand for it in the online tutoring world. Identify your strengths and interests, and let's turn them into a lucrative online business. Next, it's time to sign up on a reputable online tutoring platform. These platforms act as a bridge, connecting you with students in need of your expertise. Create a compelling profile that highlights your qualifications, experience, and teaching style. Remember, students and their parents want to know they're in good hands, so make sure to showcase your expertise and passion for education. Once you're all set up, it's time to dive into the virtual classroom. Online tutoring platforms provide interactive tools that allow you to communicate with students in real time. You can share documents, use a virtual whiteboard, and even conduct video calls for face-to-face interaction. It's a dynamic and engaging environment that brings the traditional tutoring experience right to your screen. One of the most exciting aspects of online tutoring is the flexibility it offers. Whether you're a full-time professional or a busy student, you can choose your availability and work around your schedule. Set your rates, decide on the number of hours you want to dedicate, and voila! You're in control of your own tutoring business. Let's talk about the earning potential. Online tutoring can be highly lucrative, especially if you establish a solid reputation and develop long-term relationships with your students. Many tutors charge competitive hourly rates, and as you gain experience and expertise, you can even increase your rates. It's not just about making money, it's about making a positive impact on students' lives. So, my enthusiastic learners, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey of online tutoring? With the power of technology, you can connect with students worldwide, make a difference, and earn money doing what you love, teaching. So let's get started, spread knowledge, and empower young minds together. Thank you for joining me today on this exciting exploration of online tutoring as a means of making money online. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, strategies, and inspiration to help you succeed in the digital world. Until next time, keep learning, keep teaching, and keep thriving.